We will now present the new Strong Women's Championship. If you could please focus to the center of the room. This is the Strong Women's Championship. In October 2022, Rumble on 44th Street saw history made in New York with the first women's matches in New Japan Strong history. And Mercedes Moné faced Kairi for the IWGP Women's Championship at one of the double main events at Battle in the Valley in February 2023. Now, to mark a consistent and world-leading female presence in New Japan Pro Wrestling in the United States, the Strong Openweight and Tag Team Championships will be joined by the Strong Women's Championship. The first champion will be determined in a one-night four-women tournament tomorrow at Resurgence. We are now going to be hearing from the competitors for the women's tournament. We will begin with Momo. Please let us know your thoughts on tomorrow's match.
Willow, you are a big, strong, amazing wrestler. Everybody thinks you are going to win, but what if that happened? Don't you think this tournament will be more fun? I watched your interview, and you said in wrestling you need the strength, not only physical, but also will and mind is more important. I completely agree with that. I came here by myself, just alone. You said, here is your home, so you are not gonna lose. But it doesn't matter, here is home or not, if I have strong spirits. I bring fighting spirit from Japan. I overcame the big accident. I survived from hell. That accident makes me stronger than ever. I'm not same as before. I will show you how I've changed. I will shock everyone in this tournament and watching all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Momo. Next, Willow, what are your thoughts on tomorrow's match?
First, Emily, there we are. First, Emily, I am obviously very excited to be a part of this tournament. The significance of what this title means is not lost on me. So first and foremost, I'm looking at this pretty purple belt. You know purple's my color. So I have a new ignition and like fire lit under me, just like needing it that much more. But directly here, I have Momo across from me. And Momo, I did say all those things about strength, physical strength, mental, strength, emotional, your heart, your will, your power. And you do possess all of those things. And I see that you come here with a lot of conviction, a lot of confidence in yourself, and I have not overlooked you. I've taken this all into account. I have studied you. I've studied every single competitor in this tournament, because at the end of the day, it's anyone's game, right? These 4 competitors were chosen for a reason. So I've studied, I'm ready, I've seen your matches, right? You and I are a lot alike, right? We're both very sweet, very bubbly. We go out there, we want to have fun, we have a good time. And you've recovered from an accident, so you even have some grit. But I also possess that. And I've been very patient. I have been waiting for an opportunity like this. I've seen legends out here in this press conference before me today, right? People I've been watching for years and years as a fan of New Japan. When Strong happened, it was so exciting to see New Japan Wrestling come to my home of the United States. When I saw a women's division start, there's another opportunity. When is my opportunity gonna come? And this is my opening. And so Momo, Stephanie, Mercedes, anyone who stands in my way, all 4 of us are gonna be making history tomorrow. But tomorrow, I am going to show you all that I am her.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Willow. We will now have a short photo session. If both of you can please step forward. Thank you very much, ladies. That is all for the Strong Women's Championship Tournament. Yeah.